The last couple of minutes, I noticed in the just a second ago, um, it was real quiet, and I didn't even know I was recording. So anyway, I thought I put it on pause. But I went ahead and filled out the rest of the script here, and I will explain it. So in our parameters up here of that we've defined P, the parameters, I labeled this as D1. You label anything as you want, but really this is going to be your domain right here between D1 and K. But this way we can actually define an interval at any given interval we want. Now remember, we're just using the integers, and remember what integers are. It's negative, basically the negative natural numbers, 0, and then the natural numbers, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. And the other part of the integers is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and so on. So those are integers. I hear a lot of people use these words real loosely on the internet. The difference between a whole number, a natural number, and an integer, and I think it's pretty important to know the difference. Um, anyway, let's get back to this. So I go ahead and print. I print off our interval here. Uh, I guess D1, where we're going to start our domain, is going to be, just go ahead and get signed to C here. All right, and none of this stuff here changed. So all we did was add a parameter. Well, let's just go ahead and run this, and let's see what we get. So we got to save our work, and this is some previous stuff that we did. Um, you know what? Hold on, I'm going to pause this real quick. This is actually, I tested this out, but let me just hold on. All right, I just wanted to clear the screen. So let's go ahead and bring, whoop, I think we used a small p there. Okay, this time let's go between negative 5 and let's say 5. All right. And there we go. Isn't that cool? All right. So the interval of our domain here is going to be between negative 5 and 5. Now you noticed that I used a parentheses right here, because that means we don't include negative 5, but we're going to include the next one, which is actually, as you can see here, negative 4. Now that's just the way I wrote the script. We can actually include negative 5 if we want in the script, and I'll go back to the script if I got time and show you how to do that. And of course we go up to 5 here, right? So as you can see, we negative 4, plug in our stuff in, and we go to 5. So isn't that cool? Here's the domain, and here's the range, and here's really what's really important here is this guy right in here. Let's go back to the script and show how to include negative 5. Alright, so that's happening actually right in here is what's going on. If I put a minus 1 right here, what's going to happen, for example, if I put negative 5 in, so C is negative 5, but we got negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6. Well, I don't know. Maybe that won't work. Hold on just a second here. No, that's completely wrong. We want to increase the increment. Okay. Actually, what it did was if I put negative 5, we get negative 6. So C starts out at negative 6, and negative 6 plus 1 is negative. I don't know. Let's just try it out. Let's see what's going on. Let's see if this works. And something else, I should have changed the script, but that's okay. I'll have to scroll down here. I don't have much time. 5 of, we were between negative 5 and 5. Okay, so as you can see here, negative 5 is printing out. But the question is, we plug negative 5 into the function, do we get 21 out? Let's check that. So so that is correct, and what we'll need to do is change that to a bracket. So we just simply go up, change it, and we're done.